In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by clicking on this icon at the top left corner of your keyboard and then selecting Theme section. Now just apply one of those by tapping on the best one. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always switch this keyboard to another one. In order to do that, go into App Gallery and download free app called Microsoft SwiftKey AI Keyboard. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to tap on Sign In or hit Not Now. Over here, choose whatever you want to. And finally, click on Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard in the pop-up to apply it. Then by tapping on Themes, you can pick one of those right away under Gallery or Yours. Or click on Customized at the top right corner and create your own. To do it right away, select Start. Then tap on Add Image and pick any photo from your device to set it up. Like this one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and adjust background darkness by swiping left or right on this slider. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Now you can manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!